Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I'm refilling these nails that I had. I'm going in depth because you guys have been asking for more filing in my videos, so I'm just showing you how I use my fine drill bit to just take down as much of the nail as I can, and then I come in with my dehydrator and my primer 2 times. I promise I'm coming in with some more filing at the end of the video, but I wanted to jump in on this. I finally got my hands on that Nail Supply Glamour No Odor Monomer, and let me just say, honey, it's a yes. Like, the Sheba one is cool, but I noticed over time my nails did start to yellow. At first I didn't notice it, but when I did that light color set, I really noticed it. So I was like, let me try a different no odor monomer because my family hates the monomer smell in the house. So I tried this one and I noticed it was just a little bit less runny. I really enjoyed it, like I really did. So I think that this is gonna be my go-to now whenever my family's at home to keep the smell down. So today I wanted a fall look, so I'm using some colors that I had already. These are actually from Double Dip Nails. These are actual dip powders, y'all. So I'm doing like a double experiment over here. I'm using no odor monomer and dip powders, but this was actually a very pleasant experience. The only nail that gave me problems is actually this middle nail right here, but I think that's because I was trying to do too much. So let's just be real. That was, I think, on my fault, not anything else. But anyways, I'm gonna be quiet for a little bit. I'll come back at the end so y'all can just watch me work. So those of you who watch my channel know that I absolutely love V Nailed It and Long Hair Pretty Nails and Be Glamorous Nails. So just watching them, I've learned a few tips and tricks, and I've learned that if I hold my hand down like this, it kind of helps the acrylic flow in the right direction and helps me prevent as much flooding in the cuticles because that's what causes lifting. And as y'all can see, my last set did way better. It actually lasted me longer, even though it was dip powder. I think I'm starting to stay away from those cuticles better, so I'm having less lifting. But this color right here is actually from Nail Supply Glamour. I'll make sure that I put this in the description box as well. But a little glitter got in it, but I didn't really mind because it kind of went with the theme. But I tried to ombre. Now, I will say this, working with the no odor monomer, you do need less liquid. And as I went on, I kind of got a little bit better at it because you can see it was taking me a while to do my ombre because I just had a little too wet. So a drier bead would have done an easier or quicker job, I'll say like that. I was kind of nervous using dip powders this time because I wanted a more pigmented look, but as you guys can see, the dip powders were super pigmented, so it came out really nice. And I took a tip from V Nailed It, and she was like, go thin on the colors and then build up your nail with the clear because it's cheaper and it saves you product. And girl, I'm listening because baby, I used hardly any acrylic to do these nails. And then I came in with my Mia Secret Clear to encapsulate these nails when they dried. So I originally planned on putting these nails in one of the nails and kind of doing like a milk bath tight, but I completely forgot. So I came in later and I just put a little clear bead and I tried to add the flowers on here. But as y'all can see, the flowers start to bleed so bad. So at this point I was like, let's just see what happens. So I just put some on there, and then like I said earlier, I came in with my Mia Secret Clear and I encapsulated all of the nails. So those of you who haven't used No Odor Monomer, it does take longer to dry, and then it dries with like this little sticky layer. So I waited about 5 minutes and then I tapped my nails. Once I heard the click, I came in with my fine drill bit and I just smoothed them out and kind of remove that sticky layer. As y'all can see, it just comes right off. I'm not a fan of filing, so I love to use my e-file because it's quicker. So I come through with my fine bit and then I come in with my sanding bit and I just smooth them out, and then I just shape the sides just to kind of give them a more crisp shape. Y'all all know I'm still working on my shape. So once I get done with my shaping, then I come through with my top coat. So the top coat that I'm using is from Model 1s. I decided to do one matte nail and the rest shiny. So that nude nail is completely matte. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to tell at the end, because once I add that cuticle oil, it's kind of hard to tell. But guys, I really enjoyed this set. I hope you guys like this. If you don't, oh well, sorry. Make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B, out.